What's going on there, YouTube? Cooking with Stevie has returned, and today we've got these amazing chocolate-filled croissants. Just have a look at all that melted goodness inside a perfectly cooked croissant pastry. So let's get on with it. So we're cooking in the dining room today. Forgive this light coming through the windows. It's a really sunny day, and we're going to be using this Just Roll croissant pastry. We're going to be unrolling that, and we're going to be filling the pastry with wagon wheel, a Reese's egg, a Cadbury's cream egg, some Toblerone, and some Oreo biscuits. If you're new to the channel, why not consider subscribing? It's free to do so, and it really does help the channel out. I would really appreciate it. Let's get on with this. So the first thing we need to do is get this pastry unrolled so we can start filling it with these amazing chocolate fillings. And here we go. It's quite hard to get these things open. You've got to sort of twist it. We should end up with this amazing pastry. There we go. Let's get that onto the board and try and unroll it. There we go. We've got some unrolled. So it's actually sort of pre-cut into pieces. They're sort of triangles. So let's get a knife so we can cut this up. Using, again, these amazing ninja knives. So one of them is there. And one of them is there. So we're left with these two triangles like so. So I think what we'll start with is the Cadbury's cream egg. We'll get this open. And what we're going to do simply is place it in the middle like that. Get the edge of the pastry, fold it over, fold that one over as well, like so, and then all we're going to do is just roll that up. Roll that up like so. And we're left with this little parcel. So I've got a bit of baking paper here. I'm just going to put that parcel on there. That's the Cadbury's cream egg. And we've got to try and remember which ones are which. So we'll do the Reese's egg next. I'm not a big fan of Reese's peanut butter, so I want to make sure that I don't eat this one. So we've got our egg, exactly the same thing again. Put them in the middle, fold over that end, fold over that end, and just roll the whole thing up into a parcel, like so. So we've got Cadbury's cream egg, Reese's egg. Then we can take our pastry, unroll out some more. I think we get 6 parcels out of each pastry. We'll cut that up, cut that down there. Next we're going to be putting in Toblerone. Toblerone is my favourite. It's a Swiss chocolate. It's got nugget in it, I think, as well. I'm not sure in the United States whether you know, whether you have Toblerones, but it really is amazing. It's got a lovely taste to it. So we're going to put those there like so, and we're going to roll this parcel up as well. There we go. And we'll put that on the baking paper as well. Next is wagon wheel. Again, not sure if you have these in the United States, but in the UK, these are a childhood favourite of mine. It's chocolate with some marshmallow. Now I've got to try and fit it in here, and I won't be able to fit a whole one, so I think if I just cut one in half, like so, should be okay. What way round should I do it? Let's do it that way round. So let's fold over this pastry again. There. We might get some leakages when we're cooking it, but that'll be fun. So we've got You can't see it. Cadbury's cream egg, Reese's egg, Toblerone, wagon wheel, and then we're going to use the rest of the pastry. I think we're going to get 2 more parcels worth out of this. It's quite stretchy. Here we go. Quite gooey. There we are. And these, I'm going to be doing both of these with Oreo biscuits. And I know you have these in the United States. There we go. What we'll do is we'll try one of the parcels with 1 and one of the parcels with 2 in. Shall we? Actually, you know what? Let's chop 1 in half. And we'll have 1.5 in each. There we go. So again, we'll just roll these up like so. So we have a parcel. So these 2 are the Oreo ones. My wife and I both like Oreos. So there we go. So there's our 6 parcels. All we need to do now is get them in the air fryer and get them cooking. So we're going to be using the Ninja Flex Draw air fryer today. This is a great air fryer. It's my favourite piece of kit from Ninja I have. We do have 2 compartments. We have zone 1 and zone 2. But we have the facility to take out the divider and have what they call a mega zone, which is this button here. And you can use the whole tray, which is what we're going to do today. So what I'm going to do is put some tin foil in there, some aluminium foil, because that will help with if there's any spillages, if any of the chocolate leaks from these parcels. So let's do that first. So there we go. We've got the tray filled with some tin foil, aluminium foil. Also, that helps at the end of it to actually have something to lift out the croissants with. Otherwise, you'll be burning your fingers. So we're going to start putting in our parcels. The first one we're going to put in is the Cadbury's cream egg. The next one is the, sticking to the baking paper, the what was this one? That was the Reese's egg. Then we've got the Toblerone, put him over there. Then we've got the wagon wheel, which we'll put over here. Then we had 2 Oreo ones, didn't we? So we'll put 1 there. Let's just manoeuvre these about a bit more. And 1 there. So 2 Oreos in the middle, Cadbury's cream egg, Reese's egg, Toblerone and wagon wheel. Let's get these cooking. So we'll put them into the air fryer. I'm not going to preheat, but we're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to hit mega zone and we're going to go to air fry, but I'm going to take the temperature right down with this. We're going to cook it on 150 and it's going to be for 8 minutes. There we go. And at 4 minutes we're going to have a look at them and turn them over. Let's go. See you guys in 4 minutes. Okay guys, so we're coming up to the 4-minute mark, the halfway mark. The smell is amazing. And let's get this tray out and see how they're doing. As you can see, there's a slight colour to them. We're going to get them turned over. And I'll do that now. I've just got to try and remember which ones were which. And there we go, turn them all over. Let's get them back in for the remaining 4 minutes. See you in a bit. Oh, the smell is absolutely amazing. It's gone into cool down mode. Let's turn this off and let's see how well these have cooked. Look at that. They look amazing. So they're very hot at the moment, so we need them to cool down a little bit first before we try them. Like melted chocolate will be like molten lava. So give me a few minutes and here we are. There's a little bit of leakage on this one. I can't remember for the life of me now which egg that was. That's 1 there. I know these middle 2 are the Oreos. And that's the Toblerone and that's the wagon wheel. But these two here, I'm not sure which egg is which. So what we're going to do though is we're going to crack open one of the Oreo ones, the middle ones, and see what's inside. It's still quite warm, but look, there's the Oreo inside, all melted. Oh my god, that's really smelling amazing. This one was the Toblerone. Let's open that up. Oh look, you can see the melted chocolate inside. The pastry's cooked lovely. Oh, I can't wait to try these. And over here I think is the wagon wheel. Again, oh, the smell. Really good. Look at that, look at that. All that melted goodness. Cannot wait to give that a try as well. If you like the video, as I said, please hit that button down below, hit the like button, leave any comments as well, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.